The biggest problem with AI adoption in legal space isn't tech, it's necessity. Your documents are scattered across SharePoint, Google Drive, personal laptops, and email. When there's no IDs, no register, no version control, AI should be the last solution you're looking for. According to BCG, for 95% of legal teams, AI is not fixing your problems, it's amplifying them. This was evident with Hornche Legal, a boutique employment law consulting client we took on. They recaptured 16 to 20 hours per person every month after we diagnosed their manual leaks and redesigned their intake flow. With a UK community interest company, we advised and mapped anonymous, safe intake and a defensible case register in 2 weeks, without adding new software or creating vendor lock-in. You can hear this directly in our case studies and client interviews. So when does AI come in? Well, if you're a managing partner, a general counsel, or a legal ops lead who already understands the value of AI, but also knows it can only deliver results if the data and the processes underneath are solid, then this is your best approach. Remember, this approach is for leaders who want standardized processes, clean data, and a team that actually follows them. Not people looking for quick fixes, next shiny tool, or someone to put out fires. This is the operating layer AI depends on. Our process at MPL Legal Tech Advisors is the following. First, we expose hidden inefficiencies and silent risks. We audit your operations and tool usage to quantify exactly where time, delay, and liability are leaking. No guessing. Second, we impose structure where chaos had become normal. We map your real workflows, files, handoffs, approvals, storage, and replace personal systems with one shared way of working. Third, we codify the processes and responsibilities so nothing depends on human memory. Ownership is made explicit inside the workflow itself, so work becomes process-led and not person-led. Fourth, we build governance into the systems and not into more policies. Access, controls, retention, approvals, we enforce them automatically, so compliance is not optional. And fifth, we make you AI ready without forcing AI adoption prematurely. Only when the foundation is hardened do we layer tools and automation. Without vendor lock-in, maximum future leverage. And so you have two options. Option one is to take this 5-step structure and do it yourself. Just know, if the foundation isn't right, AI won't solve your problems. It will amplify them. And option two is to shorten your path. We don't sell tools. We make you tool ready. In 2 to 4 weeks, you'll get structure, sequencing, and alignment documented into one operating model. So you stop bleeding time and start scaling safely before you buy anything. Capacity that Hornche Legal recaptured after our engagement was 16 to 20 hours per person per month, and they gained a credible path towards fixed fees. The CIC, in just 2 weeks, had a defensible, repeatable process without adding any new software. With Kubilius Lama, a fast-growing international firm, we audited their contracting workflows. They gained a clear map of all the bottlenecks in their firm and a safe path to leverage AI to address them all. Their words, "We've never seen anyone do it like this." And these are just the recorded case studies. We've supported many more firms and legal teams with the same foundation-first approach: clarity and strategy before blind action. When you work with us, you're not getting a generic strategy deck. You get clarity, a defensible roadmap showing what to tackle first and why. You get confidence. Every recommendation is stress-tested against your data, governance, and compliance standards. You get breadth. Through our legal and technical ecosystem of trusted partners, we can cover everything from drafting AI disclosure clauses, aligning with regulators, or evaluating vendors. You can decide how far you want to go. You get practicality. We come from an engineering background. We've been building these systems in finance, where every system is under huge regulatory scrutiny, and every mistake means millions lost and worse, reputations shattered. We've implemented those systems ourselves, so we don't advise on anything that cannot be executed. And with us, you get control. Whether you want phased guidance, targeted help, or a long-term partnership, you set the pace, without any lock-in or dependencies. If you're a leading firm or a lean legal team, book a consultation. In 2 to 4 weeks, you'll get a defensible operational model that gives your team capacity back before you spend any dollar on any tools. Because the pain isn't tools, it's the foundations. Fix those and AI finally works for you and not against you. Book your consultation today.